No. Lal mar teko sitima e thoth gwenge ma pacho ka otieno ma piny oru godo Jumamos nokel kod ng'ikruok e achiel kuom masinde manyayo teko sitima Turkana. Jatend migawo mar teko Davis Chirchir wacho ni chenro mar duoko teko sitima pod dhi nyime kendo nyalo rumo kapok piny oru Jumapil. Mana kaka Edwin Okoth leronwa, lal mar sitima osekelo jiemo ne moko kuom jotelo e paw ndege kama be midhiero nero nodwaro rocho chenro mag wuoth.
Bang' wich bar mar temo duoko teko sitima chakore otieno ma piny ru godo Ngeso, jotend migawo mar teko ne owuok ayanga mar lero gima ne olalo sitima. Jatend migawo no Davis Chirchir wacho ni dag thedho sitima matiyo kod yamo ne osima apoya nono e gwenge ma Turkana. Ae bang'e to kelo lal mar teko sitima e Kenya mangima.
Yesterday at about 9:45 in the evening, we lost one generator, like Turkana wind generation, which you know is 310 megawatts. It was a sudden loss, a sudden drop, and that caused an overload in the system. The system felt an overload, and we had a switch off, cascade switch off, which happened pretty fast, and the whole country was in darkness within a few minutes. As soon as the problem was identified, we were able to isolate Lake Turkana physically and started building up the system to again provide power because we had identified where the problem was coming from.
Jatend migawo no wacho ni duoko teko sitima kao kinde malach kendo temo duoke mapiyo ne osekelo midhiero machielo.
What must be understood in power systems is that when you generate, the load must be off-taken. You don't just generate if there is no load. So the process has been slow because bringing up a system during off-peak hours is and that is why we are where we are today. In fact, we tried to hurry the building up of the system, and at about 3 o'clock in the morning, the whole system dropped again. So we are carefully bringing it up. We don't have any significant problem except that which has been isolated.
Si mar dag thedho teko sitima ma Turkana bende ne obiro sama rach ka sitima ma Kenya nyiewo kowuok e piny mar Uganda bende ne onge kinde no.
The challenge that we faced yesterday and we've not faced before is we would normally do what we call a black start. A black start is a back feed. Instead of the system giving you power, you feed it with power to start it up. And we would normally use Uganda to backfeed and start up our systems. Unfortunately, yesterday and a few days ago, Uganda line to Kenya has been down because some of the 6 towers on the Uganda side have been down. And therefore, we were not able to get the Uganda to support us to backstart or to backfeed.
Chiegni nus mar teko sitima madwarore pacho ka ne oseduogo. Kama midusa mag kembe matayo thedho kod chwalo teko sitima ne pod odich mar neno ni teko sitima oduoge gwenge duto.
We are checking the quality of the steam in Olkaria. We have most of the systems are up except Olkaria. We only have O-Power 4, which is currently developing about 33 megawatts. We should be switching in the next 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, most of Olkaria systems, which really supports the network or supports the country. And I do want to believe that as we go into the peak hour, most of the systems will be up and running.
Lal mar teko sitima ne odwaro rocho chenro mag wuoth e paw ndege mar JKIA, kama kata masin manyayo teko sitima bende ne okethore ma ojiemo ne jotend paw ndege no. Jatend migawo mar wuoth Kipchumba Murkomen mano mondo JKIA ne olando lokruoge ma omiyo jotelo ariyo mag paw ndege no puko mogo.
By mutual consent, the contract of Mr. Alex Gitari, who has been the managing director of Kenya Airports Authority, has been terminated. By mutual consent again, the contract of Mr. Engineer Fred Odawa, who has been the general manager, project and engineering services, has been terminated. They have explained to us many technical issues that were unable to function, the seamless reconnection of power and so forth. But those are excuses, and we cannot give Kenyans excuses.
Mae lal mar teko sitima ma okwako gwenge mathoth e Turka mane okawo thuolo malach mogik kapok oduoke gwenge duto. Seche 24 bang' sitima lal e piny Kenya mangima. Nonro pod dhi nyime mar ng'eyo ni ang'o mano simo masinde mag nyayo teko sitima mayudore e gwenge Turkana mano kelo lal machalo kamano. Edwin Okoth, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Moko kuom jo ohala e pacho ka koro kwano